Okay, I just bought this Ring Doorbell Wired. It, it was on deal on Amazon. So I think I paid around like $45 for this one. So let's see what we have here. Move this one, pull it out. Pretty nice, pretty slick. Small device, one screwdriver. Okay, let's see what they have here. Okay, so maybe I'll try to push it up. Okay, just pull it up. So this is it, and it has, okay, this is the jumper for, this is kind of a retrograde fit for the doorbell which you may have from the previous doorbell. So yeah, this is a retrofit. So what else they have? Nice little protected by ring sticker, quick start guide which probably nobody needs, and then a user guide with some basic information. Are they missing screws? Looks like they don't have any screws in there. So let's see what they do. Let me see here. Cool, pretty cool. They do have 2 screws, 2 mounts here. Okay, and 2 small tiny screws. So that's it. These are the things which are not needed. You can put the sticker somewhere. And this is what you have here. So let me try to open it up. Let's see. I'll try to open it nicely. So here, open it up. Cool. So this is the Ring Doorbell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.